Hello students, in this video we will discuss about solution of exercise 12.2. In this video we will discuss about the solution of question number 4 and 5. Question number 4 is a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. If the sides of the triangle are 26, 28 and 30 cm and the parallelogram stands on the base of 28 cm, find the height of the parallelogram. Okay, so what are the given condition? There is a parallelogram and a triangle whose areas are same, okay, and they have the same base. The dimension of the triangle is given as 26, 28 and 30, and this parallelogram having same base, but the base is 28 centimeter. That means this side. So first of all we will check the diagram. As you can see, this is the triangle. The dimension is 26, 28, 30. Now this AB is the common base for both of the triangle and parallelogram. So on this AB base there is a parallelogram ABCD. Okay, so what is the question? What you need to find? Find the height of the parallelogram. Okay, so let's check the solution. Since the dimension, that is 3 sides of this triangle, is given, by using Henno's formula you can easily find the area of the triangle. Consider this one as A, this one as B, this one as C. You can find half of the perimeter, which is A plus B plus C by 2, that is 42 centimeter. Now put the value of S, A, B, C in the Henno's formula. Okay, do the calculation. As you can see, you can do the prime factorization of each digit from here. Okay, 42 is 7 into 6, right? So you can write 7 into 3 into 2. Okay, then for 12 you can write 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, then for 14 you can write 7 into 2. Then for 16 you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now we will check the pair, and from one pair one digit will be outside of the square root. So you can say that from this 7 and this 7, 1 7 will be outside. From this 2 3, 1 3 will be outside. From this 2 2, 1 2 will be outside. From this one and this one, 1 2 will be outside. From this 2 2, 1 2 will be outside, and from this 2 2, 1 2 will be outside. Okay, so now do the multiplication of these digits. As you can see, 7 3s are 21 into 16. Okay, 21 into 16 is equal to 336. Okay, in this way you have to do the simplification here. So the area of the triangle is 336 centimeter. What was the given condition? The area of parallelogram is same as area of triangle. And you know the formula for area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Okay, this is the formula to evaluate area of parallelogram, is equal to base into height. Okay, that means in place of area of parallelogram you can put area of triangle. Why? Because it is given that area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram. Okay, so since the area of this one is 336 centimeter square, the area of parallelogram is also 336 centimeter square. Just put it in place of area of parallelogram 336. In place of base is given as 28, and you need to find height. That means height of the parallelogram will be 336 by 28 is equal to 12 centimeter. In this way you have to solve question number 4. Now I'll discuss about question number 5. The question is, a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Okay, let's check the solution. This is the diagram. It is a rhombus, so each sides are 30 meter long and the longest diameter is 40. Longest diagonal is 48 meter. Okay, now as you can see, this diagonal is dividing this rhombus ABCD into equal triangles, and for ADC triangle and ABC triangle, for both the triangle the dimensions are given. For ADC triangle, sides are 30, 30 and 48. Same for ABC triangle, 30, 30, 48. So you can easily find the area of any of this triangle. Suppose I am finding the area of ABC triangle. So first of all, I need to find half of the perimeter, which is equal to 30 plus 42 by 2, which is equal to 54 meter. Okay, now put the value of A, B, C in the Heron's formula. Do the simplification. Area will be 432 meter square. Okay, this is the area of this rectangle. That means the area of whole rhombus is equal to 432 into 2. Why? Because this one is 432. This one is also 432 because the dimension are same. Okay, so the area of rhombus is 2 into 432, that is 864. Okay, so the total area is equal to 864. Now the total number of cow that can graze the grass is equal to 18. That means 18 cow grazes the grass of 864 meters square. That means the area of grass field for each of the cow gets 864 divided by 18, that is 48 meters square. Okay, in this way you have to solve question number 5. Question number 5 was very easy. So this is all for today. Thank you.